Alright guys, my car's backfire happy right now, and I want you guys to hear it. Oh, I didn't do it. It fucking did it, but that fucking... Okay, it did it, but that Genesis was passing by. That shit was louder than it. What are you doing? Oh, good. Congratulations, man.
Ah, terrible.
Congratulations, dude. Congratulations,
dang.
bro.
It's my size too, bro. Dang. Dang. Why is it open though?
I have to make sure everything's in there.
Oh, okay. Why does it feel empty though?
I kind of took everything out of there.
Oh, okay.
All right, guys. So it turns out I got out of school, and Tony, which is the owner of TruckinCrate, he wasn't out of work, so I just came straight home, and he's gonna deliver the crate later on, which now he knows because I told him already. So you guys will probably meet him today. We're supposed to go get some rolling shots right now, but we can't find the third driver and we're running out of sunlight, so we're just gonna go fill up my tank. Wow. Yo guys, gas is expensive, man. This 91 is freaking $3.69. That's almost $4 fucking bucks. Look at this shit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but come on. California, do something about your gas prices. That's terrible. Terrible. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Alright guys, so we just met up with Tony here in Colton, and he came through with the crate. So let's see what's in it, man. Well, he just left. I was gonna introduce you guys to him, but you guys will see him soon because we're gonna do an eating challenge. Stay tuned. Alright, we got the winner here. We got the prize. Let's open it up. Let's check it out. Let's see what's in it. It's supposed to be 2 shirts and air freshener.
Gotta take this tape
so
off.
We're good, bro.
Damn, what?
What the fuck? That's 3 shirts, bro.
Bro, he hooked it up, bro.
He hooked it up with an extra shirt, dude.
Bro, look at that. Oh my.
You sure you don't want him? I mean,
huh?
No, I'll keep him, dude.
Hey, nah, it's cool. I'm good. Come on, man. Damn.
What the fuck?
Bro. It's like Christmas all over again.
Christmas was a month ago, too.
Hey, Foosh, stop.
It's January, some.
Be rocking this one, dog. Fresh. Thanks. Woo.
How's it feel to be a winner, dude?
Man, you're my friend, so I'm always a winner.
Now that's something someone says when you've been friends with them for fucking 12 or more years. Alright guys, stay tuned because there's gonna be more giveaways for sure. Like, if you guys didn't win, don't be mad, don't be sad, don't unsubscribe, because we're gonna have more. This is only the beginning of my collaboration and sponsorship with TruckinCrate, so stay tuned for more. I don't know if I'm in the video now, but probably not. Let's go. Can I see you try them on?
Back when we used to recycle our bottles and cans just to get money for dope. Back when we hopped in the van, take what you can, I'll be buying the O. People that look at us strange, peeping my blinds cause I know that they know. Bitch, I've been up for some days, thinking of ways to get out of this hole. Hold up, bitch. Hold up, bitch. I don't wanna pull up.
Alright guys, my apologies that I have not posted in about more than a week. I've just been really busy with school. It's winter session, so it's only 6 weeks long, so I have to stay on my toes, and pretty sure I've told you guys this before, but yeah. And because I took forever for the next video, I'm going to install this 2-inch front drop springs on the truck. So now we're gonna be at a 2-4 drop once I install these. I'll probably do it tomorrow. Well, I'm not gonna post a video tomorrow. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm gonna install them tomorrow, film it, and hopefully post it up for you guys in about a day or two, if nothing goes wrong and I do it good. Because you know, I always mess up. I always mess up somewhere. But yeah, guys, stay tuned, and I hope you guys liked the clips I put in for you guys about what's in the trucking crate and the shirts that my friend got, just so you guys know what's in those crates. So go check out TruckinCrate's website. I'll leave a link down in the description, so go check it out. There's a lot of nice shirt designs there. So keep on trucking. Cruise high, ride low. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Sorry it wasn't that much. It's pretty sure it was like only like a 6-minute video or something. Probably not even. But I'll see you guys soon. TCB.